everybody. Today I am going to present about my scientific experiment. This content represents part of my presentation that I am going to present to you today. The first part is about the experiment objective. The second part is about the testing process and supporting facts. The third part is about the results and observation. The experiment's objective is to find out how many grams of sugar will be saturated, will be dissolved in 50 milliliters of water. Testing process and supporting facts. Before we look at the testing process and supporting facts, we need materials in order to do it. The first materials needed is 500 grams of sugar. I chose 500 grams of sugar because I don't know how many grams of sugar will be dissolved in 50 milliliters of water, and also I need to repeat the process. The second part, the second materials needed 50 milliliters of water and 2 spoons, a measuring cup, a cup. The process. The first step we needed to do is to pour 50 milliliters of water in the cup using a measuring cup. The second step is to pour 10 grams of sugar into 50 milliliters of water. Step 3 is to stir the solution until it dissolves. Step 4, repeat the process from step 2 and step 3 by pour another 10 grams of sugar into 50 milliliters of water and stir the solution until it dissolves. Step 5. After 9 times more adding sugar into the solution has contained 100 grams of sugar. Step 6. Stir about 15 to 20 minutes. The solution is saturated. Supporting facts. In order to be an honest and accurate scientist, we need to, I repeat the experiment 3 times. Each time the solution saturated at the point of 100 grams of sugar. Results and observation. The result turned out to be 50 milliliters of water can dissolve maximum 100 grams of sugar. The first observation is the more sugar in the solution, the harder it takes to be dissolved. This next observation is the sugar and water are white at the beginning. When mixing together, the solution changes to light yellow and then to white again. My prediction was that 50 milliliters of water can dissolve 25 grams of sugar.
Did you have any errors?
Yeah, like when I poured the sugar into the measuring cup, I dropped some sugar, so the ants started coming out.
Can you explain to us what saturation means?
Saturation is like the solution is cannot dissolve more sugar, dissolve more solute.
Okay, how do you know when something, a solution reaches saturation?
When the sun pretend example sugar, so when it's saturated there's some sugar underneath and you can see it. You can see the sugar not being saturated.
Why can we see it?
Because it is not dissolved.
Okay, it doesn't dissolve. Okay. How did you measure your sugar when you were putting it in?
Like the measuring cup, because I found out in the website that 1 milliliter is equal to 1 grams. So the measuring cup has 10 milliliters, so I put the sugar in 10.
Okay, good. And each time it took just about exactly 100?
Sometimes it's 90 something.
Okay.
But I rounded up.
You rounded to 100? Okay. Did you try to weigh the solution afterwards?
No.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Andy. Nice job.